Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can find and join chess clubs on chess.com to, for example, to find players to add to your friends list or to simply join one of these communities. So let us guide you through it. So head over to chess.com, log into your account, and you will need to access your profile first. To do that, hover your mouse over the chess.com logo, and from here, navigate to profile. From there, click into that clubs tab here, and as you can see, that's a club I just joined for demonstration purposes. Now if you'd like to join one, what you want to do, guys, is simply use that search bar here, for example, and type in the name of a chess club. If you, for example, have been invited by a friend of yours and have been given the name of the club, simply enter it here. You may also use that sorting feature here, sort by countries, filter by clubs you have joined or you own yourself. Or if you'd like to just explore the community of chess.com, you may navigate to find clubs here to the right and simply go through that list here and use or apply these filters, and after that click into the given community and send your request to join by clicking into this button and wait for your request to be accepted. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.